Hey guys, today I will show you how to stop bleeding in Monster Hunter World. Bleeding is a status effect that drains your health whenever you move. It is commonly caused by sharp attacks from certain monsters, so stopping it fast matters. Astera Jerky is the most reliable option. It removes bleeding instantly and restores the red portion of your health. Sushi Fish Scale also cures bleeding quickly and heals some health, making it a strong alternative. Well done steak can cure bleeding too, but it is slower to use compared to jerky or sushi fish scales. If you have no items, you can crouch in place. Stay low for a couple of seconds and the bleeding will stop. Do not sprint or roll while doing this. Useful tip. This is never clearly stated in the game, but instead of crouching completely still, you can crouch walk to cure bleeding. The handler only hints that you should stand still. It heals slower, but it lets you reposition while stopping the bleed, which can save you in active fights. And that's how to stop bleeding in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.